Hello again, everyone. Nathaniel Gibson here, and this is my Week 5 Multimedia Discussion Board, sharing with you how I located all of my articles for the Week 5 writing assignment for MPA 510. And so first things first, I'm sure like most of you, I went ahead and sat down and decided which theorist I wanted to focus on from each of the first 5 weeks of our class. And in week 1, I decided to focus on Taylor. And so for locating the articles, I searched first at the Annie Gabriel Library. I have this tab here, but you can also type in Annie Gabriel Library. Click on Library Home, and I just use the OneSearch database to locate my some of my articles. And for Taylor, this is the article. I'll pull up the exact one I found just to save time. Oops. If I can type right. Competition. There we go. Sorry about that. So after that loads, I went ahead and I found this article. Of course, it might show up a little differently for you. I think I just searched Friedrich Taylor or scientific management originally. So once you kind of caught an article that looks interesting, you click on it, you go down here. Usually it has like a brief description that you can it gives you like an abstract view of the article. I usually briefly look at that and actually just click on the full text of the article, so that way I could, maybe read through the first page and see if this was something that I was interested in getting to use. And so, yeah, I really like this article by Milton Nadworny. And so what I wanted to do first is, just in case I lost the article, I'd make sure to click on Cite right here on the right-hand side. This is on the CVU library website. And of course, we're using the APA edition for our class. So I'd copy that. And then in a Word doc, I would paste that over here. Make sure that I always had a way to find the articles that I wanted to use for my paper. I might also copy and paste the link to the page. Even though the Annie Gabriel Library logs you out at a certain point, I want to make sure I always knew which article I was planning on using and how to find it. One other database, I guess you could call it, that I use for scholarly research was plain old Google Scholar. So if you type in scholar.google.com, it takes you to this page, and basically you can type in the same thing, competition scientific management. I keep spelling competition wrong. And pull it up here, and you'll see that it has the article here, but like you can search all sorts of different articles in Google Scholar and try to pull up something that's close, if not similar. And also, just like on the Annie Gabriel website, if you click on these little quotation marks here, you'll be able to pull up the citation for it, so that way you never lose it. But that's just the two different resources that I use in locating my articles for these classes. So thanks, you guys. Look forward to seeing and hopefully learning how you guys locate articles yourself.